Well, good morning. My name is Miss Nakamoto, okay? And today is the first day that you're in the computer lab. And as you see, the room is decorated in a way so that it makes it very easy for you to sit down at your computer and get right to work, okay? When it's time to get to work. So, all the screens are set up to mlk.symbaloo.com. If you go to our website, mlking109.weebly.com, you'll find our class website. And let me show you our class website real quick. There it is. It says Computer Lab East, and it has classes, computer skills, East, teacher resources. Over here it's got log into your Gago, Mayan for some math, Khan Academy, Typing Web, and click here to get to our Symbaloo. So if you want to use the Symbaloo at home, that's the best way to set it up. Okay, so look at how the computers look as you walk into the classroom. Let's notice some things. All the headsets are put at the top of the computer. So before you leave, this is how the room is supposed to look as you're lined up at the door. And we'll talk about that in a second. Okay, so here's the room. Now, let's talk about coming into the classroom. So, your teacher is going to bring you in through this door, okay? And I'm going to stand here and greet you. And you're going to walk in, and you're going to walk in quietly, and you're going to sit down on the carpet, okay? Everybody should be on the carpet, giving enough space to your friends so that you're not crowded. And I need your attention. And usually I'm going to have this on the screen. This is our Symbaloo, okay? And I'm going to talk about what we're going to do for the day. So say we're going to go to Khan Academy. Well, I'll tell you, click on Khan Academy. Or if you're going to go to typing, I'll tell you to click on typing. Okay? And then you're going to do your assignment. But first, you're going to sit on the carpet and you're going to listen very carefully for instructions. Okay, some of our computer rules. This is very easy to talk about. Remember, no food or drink allowed at all. Keep your area neat. When you're on the internet, go only to the websites on the Symbaloo. Respect other people. Keep your files organized. We have folders on the desktop. Remember to log off if you are ending the school day. Don't change the settings on the computer. Don't download anything. We only print with permission, and we don't print often. And remember to save often when you're working on a document so you don't lose it, and to be quiet, okay? Over here are the class codes for those of you that remember Edmodo. And say you're in Miss Fields' class, okay? You're going to go into Edmodo, you're going to add a group, and you're going to use that group code, S58ZB5, okay? And then that is going to add you to the Edmodo class. Okay. So, you walk into the computer lab, and you sit down on the carpet, and then when I tell you to go to your computers, you notice we've got the yellow group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 6. And then it goes to purple. So I'm going to have you go to your computers by groups, and whatever class number you use for your class will be your computer. And I've made sure all the computers work, okay? Now this is a purple group over here. Okay, purple group. And this is the green group. So the green group's a big group, but normally we don't have way many than 24, 25 students. And so this goes all the way up to 28. So hopefully we don't need to use most of these computers in the back. This side of the room right here is off limits unless you get into East. And we'll talk about East, but remember I told you last year you have to have a teacher recommendation. You have to have good performance last year with no behavior problems. And you have to have learned how to type by touch to start working on your East project. So if you don't know how to type by touch, you really need to learn how to do that, okay? So let's go to the computer and we're gonna pretend like you're a student. And say the first time you come in, I want you to go ahead and log into Edmodo.